Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first just tap on the start icon, and now it's time to select the language. So just pick the language that you would like to have your device in, and in my case it's English, so just let me find it right here. You can also increase text size here if you want to, but I would like to have default one, and then tap on next. And now just pick the region. So as you can see, you've got plenty of them. You will definitely find your place. And let me find mine. Okay, so let me pick Argentina. And now you can connect to the network, like just pick the one that is yours, and in my case it's the first one. Once it's connected, tap on next. Then you have to come with terms and conditions, so just read the policy agreement over here, and if you do agree with them, just mark this icon and then tap on next. Now you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but I will skip it for now. And now you can copy data from your previous phone or from Google account, but I will skip it for now, don't copy. Obviously you can do it later, that's not a problem, so. And now if you would like to log in with your Google account here, it's high time. If you don't want to, just tap on skip, but I truly recommend using Google account because it's giving you access to many features. So let me enter my email address, it's HardReset. And tap on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, tap on next. And now it's time to read all Google Terms of Services, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with them, just tap on I agree. And as you can see here, we've got all Google services. If you would like to switch off some of them, smoothly tap on this icon, but I would like to have them all included, and then tap on accept. And then just tap on continue. You can skip voice assistant settings, but also you can come along with them, but this is not necessary. And now if you would like to add another email account, or if you would like to change the phone size, change wallpaper, you can do it now, but also it is all possible later, so let me skip it for now. And you can also log in with your Me account, but I will skip it, like Google account is more than enough for now. And you can also set a fingerprint if you want to, and this is actually truly useful feature. So at first we have to pick some backup to our fingerprint. And now draw the unlock pattern that would be used as the backup to your fingerprint, and then tap on next. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is on the back cover of your device right here, so just keep tapping. And let me turn the device around so you can see the progress here. And that's it. So you've just added fingerprint, your device is set up and well protected. Tap on next then. And now it's time to select the theme. You can pick classic, limitless, or whichever you would like to have. And let me choose, for example, this one. That one, like pick whichever you would like to have. And I would go with this. And then once it's marked up on next, actually I didn't mark the last one, but the first one, so let me stay with the first one. And that's it. As you can see, you've just set up your device. Now you can do whatever you want to with it. So I will start with changing the brightness. You've already set up pattern and the lock screen. So as you can see, your phone is well protected, and just by using your fingerprint, you can unlock it. And now it's time to change the wallpaper, add some contacts, and just use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.